everyone, welcome to Baby Wonderland. Today we are going to draw a very interesting and amazing friend that you see in daily life. And let us start with the beginning. And take off your pencil, eraser and grab all your painting things and coloring things and let us dive in. The materials that you need is paper, sketchbook, pencil, eraser, black pen, marker, and colored pencils, marker, paints are optional. Drawing steps may include 10 to 15 minutes and build a base which you are going to draw. It can be canvas or papers which you can draw as beautiful as possible. So let us start the basic shapes. Mix it up with pink, blue or green and white. Use light strokes to fill the area respective to the outline. You can add more darker shades for shadows and light ones for highlights. Experiment with different textures, stippling for fur, smooth strokes for body and playful circles for the eyes. And there you have to go. You are your own adorable, amazing animal. Remember, art is all about fun and expressing yourself and new experiments. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add your own creativity and touch and show your creation with me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more drawings, puns and hit the notification bell. Pro tips. Imagine the amazing creature is in front of you. Sit in a comfortable place and draw the features as clearly as possible. Keep the shapes loose and playful. Time to refine. Inside the head and eyes should be real and hyper-realistic. And make it happy and curious. And the ears and the inner circle as in-depth and possible. Don't forget it has to be fluffy and also it has to make sure it is in and around you. Bring life to it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.